Beep, 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 beep. Hi, Sierra. I know it's kind of like early. Still, who cares? Okay? So, yeah, I just wanted to make a new video because I haven't posted any in a while. So, I need subscribers. Okay, I don't know if I already talked about the cupcake pebbles yet, but here, I'm going to talk about it now. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, so, here's what I'm going to talk about today. You know what those stupid, that stupid commercial, that how it goes, party in the box. Well, who would have a party in the box anyway? I mean, can you fit into one? I mean, it might sound stupid, but seriously, a party in a box? I don't think so. Okay. Well, I'm gonna tell. Okay, you guys want to see someone go. My little sister's kind of sick today, so she's gonna talk on the walkie-talkie on the video. So, are you ready? Here. Caleb, you can talk now.
Hi, you guys. I'm in the little walkie-talkie. Yeah, you know that, right? Bye.
Alright, you just felt like saying that. So, so okay. Tell me which book you think looks more retarded. Well, looks actually better, actually. Rachel's sisters, or big words for little people.
I was the girl in the walkie-talkie.
Yeah, I said that. Don't go away. Film me. See, I'm even wearing my doctor set. Alright, well, I'll be back with more videos, so
Bye.